nigga, drop. Don't touch me. I swear, if you touch me,
Pick it up.
no, don't pick me up. Get off of me!
Taekwon! Taekwon, what are you doing? That's my hand-me-down. Me next.
Tell me how you feel your brother.
Taekwon!
Wait, yeah, don't.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Oh! Skills. Yeah, I got all.
First comes love, then comes marriage. But what do you do when first comes a baby carriage? In God's eyes, no baby's a mistake. But just know, love is better when you wait. The Bible says we should wait until marriage. And when you see a woman, then you shouldn't lust after it. I've been through it, so I'ma be honest. God gave us these rules, but we ain't all follow it. Hard to be something that you never had. How to be a father when you never had a dad. Now thinking back, you wish you wore a condom. And deep down inside, wish she would've stopped me. Lord help me,
Yeah, I got it now.
my urges. The older I get, the more difficult it is. I used to do it back when I ain't know no better. But I'm in church now when I think clearer. Lord help me, I'm trying to fight my urges. The older I get, the more difficult it is. I used to do it back when I ain't know no better. But I'm in church now when I think clearer. We born in sin, so lust is in our hearts. But we must control our minds and body parts. And watch out for STDs, the clap, gonorrhea, AIDS, and herpes. Nobody wants to contract the disease. I know it's hard to fight your own needs. It's nothing wrong with being a late bloomer. Sex after marriage makes you more mature. With your Savior's help, you can save yourself. If sexually active, ask God for help. I can't front, I had my experience, but it's best to wait and preserve your innocence.
We want you to make it to the league, bro. This is what it takes. You think you going to the league? Okay, this is what we want. Trick sound right now.
But I'm in church now and I think clearer. Lord help me, I'm trying to fight my urges. The older I get, the more difficult it is. I used to do it back when I ain't know no better. But I'm in church now and I think clearer.
Really, bro?
Yep. Say it again.
You mad, bro?
What?